Okay, so this is the ASKO 2005 washer and dryer set. Washer works just fine. When I flip the switch, the lights come on. I've tested the run cycle and everything works great. The power's on, which means the washer is getting its power. Here's the power cord out of the back. We follow it, and it's plugged into the back of the dryer right here. So for this to get power, this must have power, but when I push the button here, I get nothing. So my goal is to kind of take this. I switched the door. It did open the other way because the washer is on the right now. I swapped the door, swapped the magnet, made sure that the plunger here still lines up and pushes the lever there. So door is shut, push push, no power. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up, and then I'm actually going to pull the dryer out a little. Not too heavy. And then for safety's sake, I'm going to unplug this. And I've got my little tripod. Alright. Oh, this is hex. I need to go get the hex bits. Alright. So if I remember right, this one will do the job. Yep. Pull this one out. Pull this one out. Now this just slides off. Alright, so we look inside. The red and black are mounted. The red is mounted on the outside, black on the outside, white in the middle. And then I mounted my ground to the chassis right here. So I know that's right. And then looking at all of the connections, I follow them through. Let's see. So all of these connections are secure. All of these connections are secure, and so are these. Following this around, I mean, I'm guessing everything here is solid. Everything down here at the front looks normal. No loose wires. Now, here is a fuse. I believe it's a fuse. So here and here, those don't have wires on them and never have. This thing down here is the socket for the washer, and of course that works because the washer comes on. So because this dryer doesn't come on at all, I don't know where to check to fix it. So I have my little diagram here. Let me see if I can set this up. Unfold this. I don't have a multimeter anymore, or I would check for voltages. Here is, here is the schematic. This is the control unit at the front of the device. And there's a switch here that goes into P4. This is controls. There's a switch at P1. That looks like some kind of gate at P2. Various, I guess this is the heating element rounds here. I'm not real sure what all of this means. Here is the the main three-phase wiring. Like I was just showing you, we got the mains in and the ground, and then all of these wiring connections look exactly like they should. I don't know what to check, so we'll see what I can do.